how's it going, guys? It's Colin here with new Nissan and Gallatin. What I've got with me is this 2013 Nissan Titan. What's really nice about this truck is it does only have 16,000 miles on it, which means it does have a certified warranty, which gives you the 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Full crew cab, so it does have the running boards, nice alloy wheels. What I love about the Titan, it's got the hydraulic bed or tailgate, very easy to open and close. Rear camera, along with your backup sensors, and then you see you've got your trailer hookups. Let's come along to the back seat, show you how much space that you actually have in this crew cab. Lots of legroom and headroom. You can see 3 adults back here very comfortably. Rear heat and air, as well as your hookups for your 120 volt outlet and your 12 volt outlet. Nice massive power back window. Going along to the front cabin. You can see again just how much space I have. On the steering wheel, you've got all of your controls for your Bluetooth audio and cruise, as well as your information display. Coming over here, you've got a color information display. This will show your backup camera whenever shifted into reverse. You can see you've got AM, FM, and XM radio, and along with the Bluetooth, it does have Bluetooth streaming audio. CD player. In the center console, you do have your USB and auxiliary ports. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it is very deep, and you can lock this, which is nice. Lots of space in the glove box. So you've got your factory manuals, and then you've got the hookup for your trailer lights. And then it does have an auto dim rear view mirror with your compass. So I really appreciate you taking out the time to watch this video. Of course, we do have this truck. We do have lots of others to offer, and I would love to show them to you. So if you'd like to see this and any other vehicles we have to offer, please feel free to reach out to us anytime.